Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Hope Road in the city of Kingston. We are looking at the construction of 45HR and it's located at 45 Hope Road. Now this is a massive building, 10 floors, 58,000 square feet, and it's going to be ready this year. Well, I'm not sure about this year because looking at what we're looking at, the windows haven't gone in yet, it hasn't been painted. It's scheduled to finish this year. I'm not sure if they will make it. Very nice building. You really have to admire all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. And that's Hope Road you're looking at, and to the left of us is Jamaica House. Where we are is actually where there was a incident here where somebody stopped to change a car tire and they were robbed. It's actually right here where we are. It was right here it happened where we're parked. But we get a really nice view of the building here. Now to the left of us is Jamaica House. And I've been trying to figure out what role does Jamaica House play now? Because the Prime Minister has his office at the back of Jamaica House and you actually enter from Devon Road. King's House is where the Governor General lives, and when Jamaica moves towards being a republic, they won't have any use for King's House again, more than probably just a historic building. But King's House is sitting down on 187 acres of land. I'm not sure how big Jamaica House is, but it's sitting down on quite a few acres as well. So they need to develop both Jamaica House and, okay, let me rephrase it. They need to keep Jamaica House for its historic value. And they need to keep King's House for its historic value, because they'll have no operational value very soon, meaning no work will be going on there because they won't be occupied. Well, King's House, I'm not sure what's going to happen with Jamaica House when Jamaica becomes a republic. But even if they still use the building for some government work, this is Jamaica House now. And King's House. The land around it, King's House is sitting down on 187 acres. You can cut off, subdivide a piece of land where King's House is, keep 3 acres, and develop the other 180 something, because it's prime real estate and Jamaica needs more buildings. Jamaica needs, it's growing. Kingston is growing. So I say develop the land. Now Jamaica House, same thing. Develop the land around it. Keep Jamaica House for its historic value and develop the land around it. I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think. And you could put quite a few buildings of this size on the land. Quite a few. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the development of the land at King's House and Jamaica House. And do you think this building will be finished this year? I'm just not seeing it. Although, I must say, some buildings are moving so fast. The Nitrums at Waterloo, we did a video of it today. And wow, that thing has moved so quickly. And there's one on Holborn Road in New Kingston. The building looks like it's practically finished. I'm amazed at how fast some of these things move. Amazed. So let us know if you think this building will be finished. This one here now, 45HR, will be finished this year. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.